Breaking news coming in. The Supreme Court has refused to intervene into the issue of demolition in the Shaheen Bagh area of Delhi. Now, the Supreme Court has said that none of the affected parties are present before the court, and the petition has been filed by a political party, and don't make this court a platform for all of this, the Supreme Court has told CPM. Now, Lashish, we're getting news that the Supreme Court has refused to interfere into the issue of demolition in the Shaheen Bagh in Delhi.
Has in fact refused to interfere in the petition that was filed by CPIM addressing the issue of demolitions by the SDMC in South Delhi, including that in Shaheen Bagh. Now, what the court really said was that as far as the parties that were before the court, it seemed that only a political party was in front of them, and there is no one who acted or aggrieved by the situation. Was that they have not given any license to anybody who wishes to come before them and say that their house cannot be demolished, even if it was unauthorized. You cannot take shelter of that sort of a court. That's sort of an order from the court, and therefore you must approach the High Court first. So the order that is essentially in place right now is that the CPIM withdrew its petition and they were granted liberty to approach the High Court with this problem. What the Supreme Court said was that as far as the Jahangirpuri case was concerned, it was different. We were informed that there were certain structures and establishments that were being taken down. This is not the case here. We cannot be the first court where someone comes to with their when they're aggrieved with their grievances, and they have been told that they first need to approach the High Court, and if the High Court does not hear them, in that case, they can approach the Supreme Court. Of course, the counsel for the CPIM was alleging that the High Court is not hearing these matters. They are not giving dates to hear these cases, at which point of time the Supreme Court did take an exception to that and kind of pulled up the counsel, saying that this is very disrespectful towards the High Court. First, you must move the High Court and then come to us. In a situation where a political party is moving the court and saying and alleging that the High Court is not listening to them, this is too much, said the Supreme Court, and said that though we want to protect people, it is not the way. This is not the way to do so. And firstly, you must approach the High Court. Therefore, as far as encroachments are concerned, that is a routine matter, said the Supreme Court, and it's not the first time it's happening. But as far as the Jahangirpuri case is concerned, the structures were being demolished. That is why they took that case up as an exception. It cannot be the norm. So now the petition court orders are concerned.
Right, Nilesh is there essentially saying that the Supreme Court has refused to interfere in the issue of demolition in the Shaheen Bagh case and has asked CPM to go to the High Court first.